The government has sought to assure residents in Montego Bay, St. James that it remains committed to addressing the traffic congestion in the second city. Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Horace Chang says work is ongoing despite the delay with the construction of the Montego Bay bypass. Anthony Lugg reports.
The delay of work on the Montego Bay bypass in St. James is one that residents in the parish have bemoaned. The traffic congestion has been a nightmare for quite some time, and many had been hoping that the bypass would have given some well-needed relief. However, that has not been forthcoming. We put the issue to Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Horace Chang.
It's a challenge in terms of traffic in Montego Bay, but we have to do it right. We have to do it right.
85% of the $3.8 billion set aside for that project was taken away as the government moved to reduce spending to deal with the economic fallout from COVID-19. Recently, the president of the Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce, Janet Silveira, blasted the government for its decision and said the delay adds to the constraints the region is already facing.
How was that B continues to take it for granted? Why has the Montego Bay bypass been delayed when work is being done elsewhere? To be honest with you, we're tired of being treated as if Kingston is the only place in Jamaica. Kingston is not Jamaica.
But Dr. Chang says despite the delay, work is still being done.
We've started the process in the last 3 years, fortunately, and much of the work is being done. A highway is not, the work on a highway is not just putting tractor on the ground. The design work is being done, the acquisition of property is being done, the people around Montego Bay, we have acquired several property in the Montego Bay area, that continues.
But how long will the residents have to wait?
And we expect by the end of this year, you'll be in a position to go forward with the various, with actual shoveling in the ground, so to speak. But the money this year is to complete design work, acquisition work, and things like the environmental studies that is required.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.